Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the black marker or the pen and then here we will be making the flowers like this using it. So draw the lines in the same manner as shown in the video. Draw the small lines inside the flowers. Now we will draw its bottom part like this. Make its stem as shown in the video. Draw its leaves. It's ready. Next, draw a semicircle on the sheet like this. Now draw the spiral lines inside it. Draw the lines like this. Now we will draw the body of the snail. Make its face, draw its eyes. Now make its tail like this and it's ready. Next, we will make a boy standing with a rose or a chocolate in its hand. So now make its face and the body like this. Draw its ears, eyes, nose and the mouth. Now draw its legs like this. You can draw its hands like that. After that, draw the hands. After that, make a rose or flower in its hand of your choice. So here we are making a flower. Make it and then draw the leaves and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a white sheet and a pen. Now draw the line on it like this. Now we will complete the line. So here we are making a giraffe. Make its body, draw its nose, eyes and the ears on the top. Now we will make its legs. You can make the tail on the back like this. Draw these semicircular patterns on its body like this. Draw its legs and then make the tail on its back is ready. Next, we will make a Christmas tree. So first make a star on the top and then make the tree like this under it. Draw the wavy lines like this and after that we will draw the branch of the tree as shown in the video. You can decorate the tree if you want and your Christmas tree is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, write a 2 on the sheet like this. Now complete the line. So here we'll be making a duck. Now make its beak and its body. Make the tail on its back. Now draw its eyes. Draw some water lines. Next, write a 2 on the sheet and then write a 3 on the top of it. Now join the lines by extending it like this. Draw the branch of the tree. Now make the body of the bird. Make its tail. Draw its wings like this. Draw its eyes, beak. You can color it if you want and it's ready. Next, write a inverted 2 and 2 on the white sheet and then complete its face. So here we are making a frog. Draw its eyes. Draw its legs on the back like this. Draw the lines and then draw its 4 legs and it's ready. Next, we will be making a mango. So draw the lines like this, make its stems and leaves on the top of the mango like this and draw the lines inside the leaves and your mango is ready. Draw a semicircular pattern like this. Now complete its body, make the tail on the back, make its beak, make its wings on the sides, make its eyes like this, draw its beak and it's ready. Next, we will make a circle like this and then draw the wavy lines around it. And here we are making a lion. So after that, we will make its ears, make its eyes like this, draw its nose and mouth. Now after that, we will make its body. Now make its tail, make its legs, complete the body like this. Draw the 3 inverted 3 on the paper to make the legs of the animal and it's ready. Next, we will write the 2 on a sheet and then complete the body of the bird. Make its eyes, beak and then draw the tail on the back. Draw its legs like this and your bird is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will write the 6 on the sheet like this. Write 3, 2, 4, 5, 6 like this and then we will join the lines to make the hand-like shape. Make the hands and then complete the figure and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.